give out my free legal advice to the first 14 callers in getting answers to your immigration questions. Let's go.
Hello?
Hi, George.
How you doing, Brad?
Good. What's going on?
Yeah, I got a quick question.
Yes.
Look, I have I applied for VAWA like over 2 years ago, and I was, I never leave my wife, and for some reason she called the police on me, and then I got arrested for a domestic violence charge. Anyway, I got a felony of
you filed
that case.
You filed the VAWA, but you have a felony for domestic violence.
Yeah, I mean, I filed VAWA like 2 years ago.
You have what you're telling me is you filed that your wife was abusing you, but you got arrested and have a felony for domestic violence.
Yeah, like 3 months ago.
Okay.
Yeah.
Was this against your wife or against somebody else? Who was the alleged victim?
No, against my wife. The same
Did your
one,
wife ever get arrested for doing anything to you?
That's why I applied for VAWA, because...
What did she get arrested for?
Yeah.
What?
So,
what did she get arrested for?
She got arrested for aggravated battery.
So then after all of this, you filed VAWA, and then how did you get back with your wife again and then get arrested yourself?
Yeah, I mean, like, sometimes I got 3 kids with her, so it was kind of hard just to, when you got that reason, I mean, it kind of...
Well, it's
kind of hard.
All right, well, you guys should stay away from each other, number one. All right. Number two, if you have a conviction for domestic violence, you're going to need a waiver. Now, you may have a conviction for domestic violence and still be able to prove that you're an abused spouse from a prior incident, but you're going to need a waiver now because you're barred from getting a green card.
The thing is, Brad, that my first hearing, it was like 2 weeks ago, but that I don't know, for some reason the DA officer had no. I would think they had no too much evidence because it was just I've been accused for strangulation.
So let me ask you a question. What is your question today for me?
Oh yeah, my question is that you think that they can deny me my
I just told you if you're found guilty of a domestic violence, you will be denied, and you will need a waiver based on hardship to yourself, that you would suffer a hardship if you were not granted a green card.
Okay, but this is my question. My other question. Look, my criminal case is still pending. So what my criminal lawyer said that after I shot a video when she was bothering me again, or the prosecutor, the DA officer, he tell my criminal lawyer that they gonna reduce my charge, or even they're gonna drop the charges.
That's not a question. That's a statement. I have no idea. Okay, I'm not part of the case. I don't know anything about what happened. All I can tell you is if you're found guilty of a domestic violence, even as a misdemeanor, you're going to be denied your green card, and you would need to file a waiver. Before you plead guilty to anything, call me back. Once you know what's going to happen.
Even if I plead guilty of misdemeanor? Correct.
A crime of domestic violence is inadmissible.
But I mean,
you're being charged. It doesn't matter if you have a clean record. You just strangled a woman. Okay. That's very serious.
But it's something that I never did. I mean,
it doesn't matter. You don't get one chance and I never did it before, it won't happen again. There's no such thing. Keep your hands off of people. Period. And if you're found guilty of putting your hands on somebody, especially in a domestic situation, you're inadmissible, and then you need a waiver.
Okay, but like I say, I mean, I never touched her. Then
the facts will prove that you never touched her, and the case will be dismissed. Then you're okay.
Okay, but I mean, if it okay, that was my question. Okay. But my VAWA case, it can be denied too.
It could be denied for bad moral character. It could be denied for domestic violence. It could be denied for many things. Getting arrested for domestic violence, even if it's dismissed, goes against your moral character.
Okay, but I mean, I talk about my VAWA case.
I'm talking about your VAWA. I
might miss it.
Magic 8 Ball, please give me some patience for George. Should I?
Okay.
Please give me some patience for George. George wants to know if his case is going to be dismissed. And I already told, if his VAWA case will be denied. I said, well, getting arrested for domestic violence is bad moral character. And if he's actually found guilty of domestic violence, he's inadmissible to the United States. George, just...
Yeah.
So, what's going to happen with George's case, Magic 8 Ball? Will he get his green card? And the Magic 8 Ball says yes. My Magic 8 Ball is usually right. Yes, you're going to get a green card. That's my answer. Let's go to Bola in New York. Bola, how are you?
Hello, Brad.
What's going on? What can I do to help you?
Yeah, good afternoon. Please, I have a question.
Yes.
Yeah, the question is, I filed in VAWA in December 1, and this month I got my EAD, the work authorization with parole on it. Hello?
Yes, I'm listening. VAWA, advanced parole. Got it.
Yeah. So, and I'm planning to travel.
Yes.
I want to know, can I travel between now and July, since I got the parole newly? Is it not too early?
No. The day you get advanced parole, you can travel. Enjoy your trip. Just don't stay out of the United States for more than 4 weeks. That's what I tell everybody.
Okay. But I'm not yet through with my Social Security.
It doesn't matter. You have advanced parole. The United States is giving you permission to travel. Don't stay out of the U.S. for more than 4 weeks.
Okay.
All right? Enjoy
much,
your trip.
Mr.
You're very welcome.
Thank you, Mr.
Enjoy your trip. Thanks for watching. For more Brad Show Live, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.